Hello, and welcome to Cook Command Center Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to view and create service tickets for particular pieces of equipment at your locations. When you join the Command Center, log in, you'll come to this dashboard view. This is a generic view that'll have all of your locations on it. You'll also see 4 interactive tabs up at the top. One being location, the next being open service orders, the next being ATM open service orders, and the last being preventative maintenance open service orders. On the left hand side, you'll see a customer view. Click down on the service icon and navigate into the equipment section. From there, you'll see all of your equipment for all of your locations. This gets a little much, so you do have the ability to use quick search. So say I wanted to navigate only to ATM. I would simply type in ATMs and I can search by that. Or say I wanted to search by location. So say I wanted to search just by Boise. I can come over here and then I can narrow it down by this panel as well. So these are all interactive tabs as well. So if you click on them, they will sort by tab as well. So to create a ticket for a piece of equipment, you simply come over to the Action tab, select the menu item, select Request Service. From there, you'll create a ticket, create a title. It should generically fill in your company and the location that it is associated with. If it's affecting multiple locations, you'll simply come over here to the Locations tab and create a generic ticket. From there, you're going to select a category. For this one, let's say it's the Command Center. You're going to assign a contact. You can come in here and assign a contact is important because this is who you want the main point of contact to be. It doesn't necessarily have to be whoever's filling out the ticket. It's whoever you want to be the main point of contact for the fix. So I'm going to create Heidi as the main point of contact, but I'm going to add myself as a carbon copy on this email. Brief description. These descriptions need to be at least 25 characters when creating them. And then lastly, if you need any attachments, say there was a picture of the damage or a picture of the error code, you could always attach it here. Click Create, and then you'll generate a ticket. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center Tutorials.
If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.